How to install a stackable washer and dryer. This stackable came with 2 water hoses. We're going to reuse the dryer vent hose. And this is zip tie. The new stackable did not come with a 220 volt plug-in, so we're going to reuse the old one. Gonna need plumber's pliers for this, and a screwdriver, and aluminum tape. This is where the 220 cord plugs in or connects to the stackable, so we need to take this cover off. There's a screw here. And we gotta take these 3 screws out. Basically, the easy way of saying this is just connect the colors together. Like red goes with red, black goes with black, white goes with white, and green goes on the ground screw back there. So we'll do the ground screw first and then the others. And put the cover back on. Now we're going to attach the water hoses to the water outlets, inlets, and make sure they have these little rubber O-rings on the inside. It'll prevent leaks. It doesn't really matter which goes on which side. Engraved on the metal is H and C, hot and cold. So we got the exhaust hose here and a little bit of aluminum tape, and we're just gonna tape this end to the exhaust on the stackable. Also, to move this thing, you're probably gonna want a hand truck. Yeah, so be sure to take this shipping bar out. Alright, so now we're going to connect the hoses hot to hot and cold to cold. Now plug the 220 in. Now we're going to open the water. Now take the drain hose and put it in the drain outlet in the wall. Now you should have something like this. There's a PVC pipe here that we're just gonna feed that into. Now we got our zip tie, and we're just gonna wrap it around the drain hose. Just to prevent the drain hose from ever coming out and then just like spilling water all over the floor. Like so. Now for this apartment, the exhaust hose just vents into this container here that's just screwed into the wall, and that's where all the exhaust goes. I really don't like this system, but it's just the way this apartment was built. Like, there's no vent outside for this exhaust, for this stackable. So we're just gonna connect the hose to this top piece with a clip. All right, let's test it. Dryer works. Here we go. All good. Like and subscribe.